See, this is the traditional bakery. Old, during Portuguese time, they used to call padaria, means bakery, bread bakery. Whenever I want to buy the bread, I come always to buy in this bakery to buy the bread, so that you get a very fresh and very tasty bread here. I already purchased the bread from them, and today I'm thinking to make something different from this bread for the day. Hello everyone, welcome to my new episode. Today I am going to prepare a very familiar dish and very common to most our houses. It's called chicken chili fry, which we serve it always in our local bread. Our local breads are very versatile for us. They used to call us the pawalas. The Goans are called pawalas because we used to eat bread day and night. So that's the reason they used to call us pawalas. And we make everywhere in our local villages. In our village itself, we have 2-3 bakeries. And these are bakeries, they produce the bread every day. They make bread every day fresh. To tell you frankly about the Goan bread, it's not the same how it was 20 years before. In olden days, they used to bake the bread on the wood fire. Some they use it all electric ovens, but that is not tasty. Second thing, also olden days we used to use a toddy, fresh toddy in the mixing up in the dough of bread. We never used to use a yeast, but nowadays it's very difficult to get it toddy. Most bakeries now they are using yeast. But if you use it, a fresh toddy, you can, when you bake it, you can smell it say about 100 meters away. We eat everyday bread and we stuff it sometimes in the bread, anything, and eat it when we are hungry. Today I am going to prepare the chicken chili fry, Goan chicken chili fry. This is the chicken and these are the ingredients goes in the chili fry. Now I am going to start to prepare a Goan chicken chili fry. There are different ingredients goes in this, and these are the ingredients. I'll use it red chili, 2 or 3 dry onion, say 2 numbers of onion, 1 number of green capsicum, 1 number of tomatoes, 1 number of green chili, garlic, 5 to 6 flakes of garlic sliced, and ginger slice. Of course, salt you require for that, and turmeric. I'll take it first, lemon, and marinate the chicken, which I cut it, boneless chicken, which I shredded that, made it small pieces of the chicken. Add salt to it, 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and mix it well. By the time you keep it the frying pan on fire, put oil in it, say about 2-3 tablespoons of oil. You can use any oil, coconut oil, fresh, vegetable oil, olive oil. It's up to you what type of oil you use. I prefer olive oil. I'll put the garlic first, fry it, then ginger and shredded red chili dry, and fry it, and little bit of green chili shredded, and fry it till become light brown in color. See, this is the chicken which I have cut it into strips, or boneless chicken, or you can use with the bone. It's up to you, but it is a boneless chicken, cook faster. Let it get little brown in color. Now you take this sliced onion and add to it, say about two numbers of onion, and Just add to it and fry it. Onion should not be well done, because when you are eating chili fry, you should get a crunchy flavor of vegetable. Now I'll add the chicken to it. And mix it well. If you want, you can add chili powder or chili. Some people mix with the red masala, but I prefer no masala to be added to it. Just little turmeric powder and fresh green chili and red chili dry. That's all. I'll just add green pepper to it and red tomatoes to it, and I'll cook it, fry it for some time. Suppose if you want to make it wet, don't add water, please. You make a chicken stock. When you do it chicken boneless, that bones which remain, you just boil it, wash it and boil it well, and that stock you put it to it. So I got the stock, but I don't require the stock to put it because it's already wet. Add it just dash of tomato sauce to it. That's just dash to get the color and to taste well. It's ready, almost ready. See why we are using these red chilies or green chili? Because the name of the chicken is chicken chili fry. That should be chili inside. Otherwise it doesn't make sense that chicken is just fried and put onions and capsicum. Then you can't say it's a chicken chili fry. So that's the reason they put the chicken chilies in it and fry it. Now I'll add it fresh coriander to it. Let it get a little bit dry so that I can put in the bread, and bread doesn't get soaked if it is wet. Now I'm going to cut the bread into 2 pieces. I'll put the fire off and then I'll remove the chicken in the bread. I'll put the lettuce first down so that it doesn't slip. I'll put the cover of bread. Chicken chili fry is ready in the bread. Thank you very much for watching this episode. And the preparation, a very simple preparation which you can make it at home and put it in the bread, and when your guest comes you can serve to them. And please send me the comments when you prepare it at home, and try to subscribe to my channel, please. Thank you very much.